Rais wa Kenya William RUTO natongeretie MAMBURA aja gwîkîrwa Thûmbî kiri maabisa ba NIWE niyo National Youth Service MAMBURA jaja mirongo inana na jatantatu jakarikite ntire cha GILGIL County ni NAKURU akere RUTO norite ministry mwanya kweja na ichunche kia mirongo ithatu kumakira igana kia twanya twangugi kirinduki bithi bara bakurukirite uritani bubu wa NIS ni ara RUTO haurite nduki bithi bangi kuthingatira njireje RAIS na kuthingatene na atongere bangi bario Minister Aisha Juma. Ntuko ya narua Rais William RUTO na kinyete MAMBURA neja gwîkîrwa Thûmbî kwa makurutu ja NYS MAMBURA jaraja thithikirite ntere cha GILGIL County ya NAKURU. Ni MAMBURA jaraja kujuri mwago jumunene na mbeu mbithi baba kuona kanyaga kuona ni umbani na umenyo bwa moritani jara pethirito bakiamukira. Bakiaria atongeria ario Rais William RUTO ne bajukitie kanya gukatha mbeu mbithi baba nonto bakumba na kiri moritani jao.
Allow me to congratulate all the young people graduating today for successful completing the paramilitary training pillar, Heko Nyote. Further, I wish to thank the parents, guardians, the National Youth Council and management for the success of this training.
Nataka niwashukuru sana vijana hawa. Mimi nimewaangalia, nimeona vile mumeweka paredi hapa. Muko chonjo, muko smart. Congratulations to all of you. The nation awaits more with high expectation, which I am confident you will surpass.
Rais nkuruki ataririte thirikari gatigira mbeu mbithi baba ingi kinyankuruki bakae watwanya gutonya kirirwa ngiruru rwa NYS kwa njiri ojukanie bubungi bukathingatira.
We want to double the intake of young people joining the National Youth Service from every location in the Republic of Kenya as a mechanism of creating sufficient patriotism and giving opportunity to young people in rural areas who otherwise may not have the means or may not have the opportunity to be able to explore their talent and be able to get the necessary training and skills for them to make useful contribution to the development of our country.
Akiuga thirikari igatetheria rwangi ruru ura kumbikikia kirimantu jegi urimi kenda gutigira Kenya ni bakuona maketha jama ingi.
This spirit of productive learning should extend to the cultivation of 80,000 acres of land under commercial food production. I have already had a conversation with the management of the National Youth Service. We have already agreed that the government of Kenya is going to provide agricultural machinery to support NYS agricultural sector for food production, to enhance self-reliance by NYS, and to support national food production as we seek for food self-reliance as a country.
Na muthia na bekirite wira ni ati thirikari ya Kenya kwanza igatigira kamiti irene nkeringu gya gutetera na gutegera mabataro ja borithi igategera kinya mabataro ja bithaba NYS gutigira kinyabo ni bakumenyerwa ra kubatere.
This morning I have also instructed that the task force that is currently undertaking the terms and conditions of service of our policemen and the prisons service members. This morning I have instructed an extension of 2 months be made available for the task force so that that task force can also include the National Youth Service, terms of service and conditions of service to ensure that the service, the National Youth Service, joins the other disciplined forces in ensuring that the men and women who serve with dedication and commitment and sacrifice are considered in terms of their employment and terms of service.
Mheshimiwa Rais, ni ishara ya heshima kwako.